Ona thengia wa mahoro maria mareyumirie mutaratara-ini wa githomo wa CBE kumana na githagathago kiria gikoretwo ho woyani-ini wa arutwo a grade 10 thiini wa senior secondary, gicunji kia 49 kia aciari aria mena ciana thukuru-ini ni monanitie kuiganira na mutaratara wa CBE, makiuga githomo ni kigacirite makiria rungu rwa mubango uyu. Gicunji kia 33 kia aciari gukiri uguo makiuga githomo ni kihotomete rungu rwa mubango uyu, na kio gicunji gia 18 makiuga hatire undu cenjetie. Ni riboti iria irekereirio ni kambuni ya uthuthuria Infotrack gicigo kia North Eastern gikionekana kuiganira makiria, na kio gicigo gia gicua-ini gikionekana kwaga kuiganira makiria.
Nearly half of Kenyans, that is 49%, opine that the quality of education has improved compared to 844 system. However, there is also a 33% that believe the quality of education has worsened, with an 18% stating that the quality has remained the same. There is no change. If they were to compare like and like, CBC and 844 system, they don't see any change at all.
Gicunji kia 39 kiugite umwe wa maria marahotomia mutaratara wa CBE ni kwabatira kwa garama ya githomo rungu rwa mutaratara uyu. Gicunji kia 19 makiuga matiri no menyo muigano wigie CBE. Gicunji gia 13 kumana na wagi wa bithi. Gicunji kia ni undu wa githagathago kigie woyani thukuru-ini, na kio gicunji kia 2 makiuga ni kumana na kwaga kuiganira kwa indo cia githomo, irathi na arutani.
We can report that 39%, this is both parents and of course learners, have made a complaint, or they've raised the complaint of the high cost of the system. And this high cost of education are mainly attributed to school fees and the uniform.
Umwe wa maria mokite na mugaruruku thiini wa CBE ni njira ya kunyagania maumirira ma arutwo. Gicunji kia 45 gikiuga gitiganire na mutaratara uyu, no gicunji kia 38 gikiuga ni maiganire.
Because it's rather confused them. Your child could be having an E, and because of that, the mentality we had with the 844 system, you may think your child has failed.
Hoko horo wigie uniform cia arutwo, gicunji kia 63 kia aciari maugite matingiendekithia kweherio kwa uniform, no gicunji kia 34 ni kiendekithitie kweherio gwacio.
Some of the reasons attributed it for security reason, to identify who is a child, who is a school going learner, and of course it is easy to differentiate that this is a school going learner.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.